Hello, children. Today I start a topic of complex number. What is complex number? Complex number. What is complex number? A number that can be expressed in the form of z equal to a plus b I. What is this I? I is iota. I is denoted by iota, where this part A, where A is real part and B is imaginary part. And this I is imaginary unit. It is imaginary unit with property iota square equal to minus 1. The value of iota square is minus 1. Who use, which mathematician used this iota? Euler. Euler. Euler used this iota symbol for negative numbers. Why mathematician need complex number? Because we have many numbers, natural number, whole numbers, real numbers, so many numbers were there. But why mathematicians need complex number? Because once mathematician found himself unable to solve the equation like once a equation like x square plus 1 0 or equation like x square plus 4 equal to 0, they are unable to solve this type of equation because x square equal to minus 1 and here x square equal to minus 4. Now square root of negative real number is not possible. See here, square root of negative real number is not possible. So they introduce complex number. Scientists introduce complex number because they are unable to give the solution of this type of equations. To obtain solution of such equation, it became necessary to extend the number system. So they introduce number iota with the property iota square plus 1 equal to 0 or iota square equal to minus 1 or iota is equal to under root minus 1. In place of negative square root, they use iota. For example, then the solution of this equation is, now the solution of this equation is iota plus iota and minus iota. And here the solution of this equation is 2 iota positive and minus 2 negative iota. See some, if root 2 is there, so we can write like that, root 2 and in place of negative minus, iota is there. If minus 36 is there, we can write root 36 iota, or 36 is 6 iota. So, they introduce numbers that are square root of any negative number. So root of minus a equal to root a iota. This is complex number. See, some important integral powers of iota is, we know that iota is equal to root of minus 1, and iota square is means iota into iota is equal to root minus 1 into root minus 1 is equal to root and root cancel, so minus 1. Iota square is, so iota square is minus minus 1. In this way, iota cube is equal to, we can write like that, iota cube iota square into iota. So iota square is minus 1 and into iota. This will equal to minus iota. Similarly, iota to the power 4 is equal to iota square whole square. We can write like that. Iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 square, and the square of minus 1 is positive 1. In this way, we can write. If negative square root of negative is coming, then we can put iota and minus iota. So this is complex number. Thank you very much. I hope you understand the introduction of complex number. Please like and subscribe my channel.